Today, I'm not giving you just another fitness video. Today, I'm going to share something that even the biggest names in the American fitness industry understood only after years of experience. There was a Navy SEAL in the United States. His name isn't important, but his story has spread across the fitness world. He wasn't the biggest guy in the gym, nor did he lift the heaviest weights. But when training got tough, when bodies started to break, when everyone else sat down, he stayed standing. Someone asked him, "Why don't you stop?" He replied, "I'm not training for this moment. I'm preparing for the moment when stopping would be easy, but stopping would be death." This is the difference between showing off fitness and functional fitness. The position you see in this thumbnail is not a pose. It's the stance used by the US military, firefighters, and special forces. Real strength isn't flashy. It works close to the ground, under control, under pressure. Before we dive deeper, if you want to truly transform your strength, mindset, and control, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Trust me, every second of this content will make your training smarter and life tougher. Exercise 1. 4-point support, bear position. This is the position where humans drop to a primal stance, like animals. Hands on the ground, knees down, body straight. Strength doesn't scream here. Only control matters. Functional trainers in America say, if you can't control yourself in this stance, you can't control yourself in any tough situation. Stay here for 2 to 3 minutes daily in silence. Exercise 2. Slow push-ups. An American fitness coach said, fast reps build ego, slow reps build character. Slow push-ups reveal weaknesses. Shoulders, core, breathing. Strength isn't built in a rush. Daily controlled push-ups build true power. Exercise 3. Squats. American powerlifters swear strong legs equals strong body. Squats teach you to connect with the ground, learn to stand first, then move forward. Like in life, foundation comes before responsibilities. Do squats daily without hurry. Exercise 4. Plank, called the truth exercise. In the US, no excuses work here. Either you're strong or you're not. When your body trembles and your mind screams stop, that's the moment you train for. A Marine instructor says, we don't lose when our body tires, we lose when our mind gives permission. Daily plank builds mental strength. Exercise 5. Pull or row movements. In the US, they say, push makes you strong. Pull makes you complete. Pull exercises connect back, arms, and grip. They teach you. To rise, you need a strong support. Do as many clean reps as possible daily. Exercise 6. Neck and posture training. American coaches say, posture is silent confidence. Straight neck and spine signal that you stand under pressure. Spend a few minutes daily on posture and neck strength. Exercise 7. Silent walk. Elite athletes in the US take daily walks without music or phone. Movement for the body, silence for the mind. This is when you truly hear yourself. Daily 10 to 15 minutes resets both body and mind. Do these 7 exercises every day, and you won't just see a difference. You'll feel it. Your body will grow stronger, your control sharper, and you'll stand firm even in the hardest moments. Remember, this isn't fitness for show. This is fitness for life. And if you love content like this, hit like, subscribe, and share. Because the real transformation starts when you take action and stick around. Every video here will make your mind and body stronger, I promise.